Whoa, this AppSumo deal looks way bigger than expected. The green landing page immediately screams growth and opportunity. I'm checking out Monthly1k Lifetime Access today. This is built for entrepreneurs chasing real revenue. The packaging feels like a simple business blueprint. Laptop mock-ups make it look practical, not fluffy. The promise is clear. Reach your first 1,000 monthly. That's an appealing target for new SaaS founders, especially if you want a low-risk starting point. I like that it feels direct and action-focused. No fancy jargon, just a business result. The course presentation is clean and easy to scan. It looks designed for busy founders and side hustlers. Now I'm opening it like a real unboxing review. First impression, this is more educational than flashy. That actually makes me trust it more. The workbook style suggests structured, guided learning. I can see this fitting early-stage business testing. For SaaS owners, that matters a lot. You need clarity before you scale anything. The product says lifetime access for one payment. That changes the value conversation immediately. A one-time fee feels easier to justify, especially compared with expensive monthly coaching plans. I'm seeing a strong beginner-friendly business education offer. The visuals suggest validated ideas, launches, and revenue systems. That combination is very appealing to entrepreneurs. It feels like a shortcut to smarter decisions. Not magic, just a better starting framework. I appreciate that distinction a lot. The course seems aimed at action, not theory. That's important for people who actually want results. The workbook and laptop setup imply hands-on learning. That usually means there's a process to follow. And processes help when you're building a SaaS offer. I'd rather have steps than random motivation. The pricing message is also hard to ignore. $49 for lifetime access is aggressive. That low entry point lowers the risk significantly. For curious founders, that makes testing easier. I'm also noticing the growth chart branding. That signals business growth, not just general education. The positioning feels tailored to revenue-minded users. That's exactly who AppSumo attracts well. If you're a SaaS owner, this is relevant. If you want a SaaS idea, even more so. The product seems built for beginner momentum. That can matter more than perfection early on. I like the supportive community angle too. Accountability and feedback can speed up execution. That's often where solo founders get stuck. A mastermind-style community adds practical value. You get ideas, pressure, and perspective. That combination can keep business goals moving. The overall offer feels like a starter ecosystem. Education, community, and lifetime access in one. That's a strong bundle for ambitious entrepreneurs. Still, it only works if you take action. A good course without implementation stays useless. So this is best for self-starters. People who can follow a plan will benefit most. If you want passive inspiration, skip it. If you want structure, this deserves attention. My honest take, the value looks solid. The price, positioning, and promise all align well. For SaaS-minded business owners, that's compelling. I'd recommend checking the full details closely. Then see whether the workflow matches your goals. If it does, this could be a smart buy, especially at lifetime access pricing. Don't overthink it if you need a starting point. This feels like a practical business education deal. I'd call it worth a serious look. Tap in, review the offer, and decide fast. Good tools reward quick, focused action.